Hips stiff, legs heavy, low energy already? Let's change that, starting now. This 5-minute flow unlocks your hips, reactivates your core, and brings mobility where most people stay stuck for years. And by the time we hit the final low lunge, you'll feel it. Something's shifted, you're standing in freedom. Ever feel like your lower body is asleep even after 8 hours of rest? That's your hips calling for attention. This move reactivates that connection and opens up everything from your quads to your core. Start kneeling, knees hip-width apart, toes tucked under. Sit back toward your heels, keeping your chest tall. Drive through your hips to come back upright. Squeeze the glutes at the top without arching the back. Feel that stretch in the front of your hips. That's exactly where all-day tightness hides. I promise this movement will help you feel more mobile, not just now, but when you walk, run, or sit at your desk today. Here's a little challenge. Try going even slower on the way down. Let gravity help open the front of the hips. Do you feel tension release every time you rise? If not, focus on your breath. It's your reset button. That just told your hips it's time to wake up. Now let's bring some fire to the sides. Strong hips are stable hips. And this move, it targets a small but mighty muscle that controls your balance and protects your knees. On all fours, wrists under shoulders and knees under hips. Keep your core tight. Lift your right knee out to the side like a dog at a fire hydrant. Pause at the top, then lower with control. Most people have underactive glute meds, and this move reactivates them instantly. Try holding the top for 3 seconds. Feel the burn build, that strength returning. Do you feel that deep outer hip fire? If not, slow down and reset your alignment. That just lit up your right hip. Now it's the left's turn. Same cues and flow. Opposite side now. Up next is a deep opener that people love to hate, but you're going to love what it unlocks. Keep the rest of your body completely still. Make the hip do the work. Is your left hip just as strong? If not, you've just discovered an imbalance worth fixing. You've fired up the stabilizers, now let's drop into one of the deepest hip openers in the game. This isn't just a stretch, it's a test and a transformation. Because when your hips open here, everything feels easier. Walking, sitting, even sleeping. Stand with feet slightly wider than hips, toes turned out. Squat down with elbows inside the knees. Press knees out gently with your elbows. Rock slightly, side to side. Breathe deeply. This move mimics how toddlers rest, and they have the best hip mobility of anyone. Stay low the whole time. Can you drop your hips 1 inch deeper? Do you feel that resistance? That's not tightness, it's potential. That just opened your outer hips. Let's rotate and unlock what's hiding underneath. Most people stretch their hips forward and back, but they forget about rotation, which is the real key to mobility and injury prevention. Sit on the floor, knees bent, feet flat and wider than hips. Drop both knees to one side without lifting the feet. Slowly alternate side to side. Keep your spine tall and relaxed. You'll thank yourself the next time your back feels stiff mid-workday. Can you bring your knees closer to the ground with each breath? Do you feel one side tighter than the other? That's your body talking. Listen, You just restored your hip rotation. Now let's finish with a dynamic hip opener that resets everything. Setting shortens your hip flexors all day. This stretch reverses that damage fast. Step your right foot forward into a lunge. Drop the back knee down. Sink gently into the front hip. Keep chest lifted and core engaged. Tuck your pelvis slightly under. Feel that stretch go deeper? Is the front of your hip waking up? If not, lean slightly forward and breathe into it. Now that your right hip is free, let's balance it out. Repeat on the other side with the same cues. This is the final stretch that ties everything together. Don't cheat yourself by backing off. Lift your arms overhead for the last 5 seconds. Can you stay steady? This isn't just a stretch, it's your launch pad into the day. That just finished what we started. Your hips are no longer holding you back. You didn't just stretch, you rewired the way your hips move. You reconnected with your body in a way most people never do. And here's the truth. If you're spending hours at a desk, that reconnection won't hold by accident. That's why I created the 3-day reset, a free focus plan to keep your body moving the way it was designed to. Click the link in the description or pinned comment before you slip back into old patterns. You've already started the work, now let's build on it together.